Are you ready to enjoy Korean barbecue, everyone? Yeah, right? Yeah, let's go. Let's come in. Otherwise, this one is and then this is a ring, onion ring, whatever. It's beautiful. Now, enjoy. Whatever. How's the barbecue? Korean barbecue? Good, good, good. You like it so far? Korean barbecue. How was the Korean barbecue? Good? So yummy. Yeah. Wow, nothing left over. Wow, all finished. Wow. Chris, how was the Korean barbecue? It's good? Christine? Thank you. Chris, what do you like?
Watermelon.
Is it watermelon? Melon? Just melon? It's watermelon. Melon is different. How was the Korean barbecue today?
Lovely.
Lovely. Which one is the best for you? Which one? Pork? Squid? Beer? And is the beef?
Oh, the chicken.
Sorry,
was,
not-
the chicken was nice.
Chicken one is the best one.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Would you like to come again? Maybe?
Oh yes.
Oh, so many people. Wow, do you like ice cream? Screwball. My favorite one, this one. Watermelon. Screwball. Melon. Elizabeth, how was today Korean barbecue? Korean barbecue, how was it? 5 out of 5? Very good? Oh.
Very honest.
Leon, how was the Korean barbecue today?
Very good.
Very good. Which one is the favorite one? Tteokbokki, pork,
Meat.
oh, mom dear.
Hey.
What is how was the Korean barbecue today?
I cannot talk. I'm very full now. But 10 out of 10.
Okay. Next time we bring the lamb.
Whole family.
Okay. Esther, how was the barbecue?
Very nice.
Very nice.
10 over 10.
10 of 10. How was the Korean barbecue?
Fantastic.
Father's, which one is the favorite one? Favorite.
Oh, favorite was the chicken.
Oh, chicken. Yeah, see you next time.
Yeah.
Yeah, come again.
And the ice cream.
Ice cream.